Hi guys, Assalamu.Alikum. Today I am here again on behalf of HP Creative. So today I will talking about how to you can make your picture in white and clean. So dear friends, today I will sharing with you editing on Adobe Lightroom. So please before a video, please follow me and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my videos, so press like icon and share my videos with your friends. If you have any problems, you can share me with the comments and social links. So dear friends, let's start.